All right, let's talk about the song Inferno. I'm gonna show you guys the first lick of the song, and from this lick, I'm gonna show many different ways of playing it. So, start like this. I'm using alternate picking technique. You can also play with sweep picking technique. Every time that you use alternate picking or sweep picking, they have to sound just the same. So, alternate, sweep. They sound pretty much the same, so pay attention on that. And I'm using here the diminished scale. So that's the half step, whole steps diminished scale. Also, you can see the same scale as a pentatonic with the blue note. And the sixth. Right? So from that, I can use the same phrase and go 1.5 step up because it's a diminished scale, right? So more distortion. After you learn this lick, you get this down, you can start changing the scale. So let me show you how to play in the E minor scale. So get the same idea. If you think the diminished scale is too complicated, you just put inside the E minor. That's the E minor Dorian scale, right? More distortion. Okay. After that, you can, for instance, use inside an arpeggio. So let me show the C major triad. And let's try to put the same idea inside a C major triad. So I'm using the C major triad arpeggio as a reference and adding some other notes from the scale in order to have 2 notes, 1 and 3 notes. Remember the phrase is 2, 1, 3. So here, that's the triad. So for having, if you want 3 notes here, you have to add the 9th and the major 7. But then you have the phrase. And then you can go up. Now I'm going to show the C major progression with the same pattern from the Inferno song. For C major. For D minor, you can add a passing note here. So we have like 2, 1, and 3. E minor, F major, G dominant, A minor, and B half diminished. More distortion.